What's going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here, and I have a box courtesy of Bayako or Bayiko. Apologize if I'm butchering that name. I'm really sorry. You know, I am from Canada and we apologize for everything. If you steal all our money, I apologize for the inconvenience that it took you to get it all. I'm just messing with you guys, but I do have a box here from Bayako or Bayiko, and I have no idea what is inside. So let's unbox this and see what's happening. I did open it, as you can already see, because I wanted to get rid of all the details. It was actually sent from his son, and that way we can keep everything away from any type of cameras and stuff, so no one gets any personal information. So let's jump into this and see exactly what we got here. All right, so let's just kind of open up the top here and see what we do have. Just kind of move this out of the way, put that down. There we go. Hopefully I get the tripod kind of set up. So Deep Cool, what is this? Deep Cool, this is, look, oh, right there we can see CPU cooler. Okay, this is pretty awesome. We do have the Gigamax AG400 single tower CPU cooler. So that's pretty sweet here. Obviously we know for CPU mining, we don't need any massive beast CPU coolers. So this should work 100% just fine on pretty much anything. I'm assuming it's AM4, but we'll have to dig into that sometime. So awesome, that's out of the way. What do we got right here? What is this? Opening up. We got Elmore Labs something here. Let's see what's inside this box. Okay, I'm not sure what this is, but this, oh wait, is this that power tester? Okay, wait, this is pretty sweet. That's what, oh my gosh. This is the same one Panda type uses here. So yeah, we got a screw kit, we got some cables. Oh, wicked. This is, I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Is that what this is? PWD, we got power management here. So wow, we got some pretty sweet stuff going on here. I'm gonna have to check this out and fully see what's going on. Maybe this isn't the power meter, this is some other things. So this might be the little screen doohickey thing. So that's pretty awesome. I'm gonna definitely have to check this out, see exactly what we got here. It might be the power meter, it might be a switch for all sorts of different power connectors. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm sure you guys are letting me know right now in the comments what exactly we got going on here. Let's move on, see what else we have here. What's this down here? This is, oh, wicked. Look at that. That's a 3D printout of all the parts of a GPU on the PCB and everything. So, oh, this is wicked. I got to put this somewhere. This is awesome. Thank you very much. This thing is sweet. Thank you. All right, continuing on. What do we have here? Looks like some big 3D printed parts. Oh, are these like CPU mining holders or cases or something? Holes all over the place. Wow, that's pretty awesome. You guys can't really see that. I apologize, but look at that. We got Cloud IKO right there. Awesome. I know he's been trying to tweak out his 3D printer and everything. It looks like he's got everything where it should be. These turned out pretty awesome. This is sweet. Could definitely slap some motherboards in there, rake it up. Oh man, these are awesome. These look sweet too. How much filament do these things use? Quite a bit. They're thick, they're sturdy, they're solid. That's awesome. Looks like we got some more down here. Am I correct on this? Yes. Oh, whoop, these are a little different. What do we got here? This is, yeah, the same type of situation going on here. That's pretty sweet. Little different design on the other side. That's wicked. That's awesome. We're definitely gonna have to try these out. Get things moving with these. So what else do we got going on in this box? There's so much stuff. All right, what do we have here? Popping open this box here. Let's see, do some unwrapping. There we go, get that out of the way. Oh, another cooler. What do we have here? Vercoho power management CPU air cooler. So we got another air cooler for some CPUs. We gotta get building some CPU mining rigs, guys, because we've got some coolers happening. We gotta test these out and just get some more hash rate happening. So awesome, thank you very much. Another CPU air cooler. Definitely gonna be utilizing that one day here. And what is this down here? So let's just kind of pull this up without getting my head inside of the camera there. And without breaking anything. Whoa, it's just sliding away. It doesn't want to come. All right, here we go. This is pretty heavy. X99, like as in motherboard. Okay, this is definitely, how do we open this? We need this opened. What do we got in here? Don't tell me he sent me like a rig. That's what the coolers and everything are for. Oh my gosh, uh-oh. What do we got here? What do we have going on here? This is insane. This is absolutely insane. Okay, so we got a motherboard and we got parts and we got all sorts of crazy stuff. This is probably RAM by the looks of the size and stuff. Oh yeah, there we go. We can see it sticking out right here. That is RAM. Okay, I'm gonna kind of open this up, pull it out, and that way I don't wreck anything, and we'll get a shot of what's going on here. This is pretty exciting. All right, guys, so look at this. This is pretty awesome. The CPUs and everything are in this. This is amazing. Let's just kind of look to see what we got going on here without trying to flash myself. You can kind of see me there, but I think my head is taken. But we got some a Xeon here. It is a 2690 V4, 2.6. Is that 2.6 gigahash? Yeah, we got 2.6 gigahash happening there. So that's pretty sweet. This is awesome. And I also see at the bottom here, there's a letter. And the letter does state, "Dear Rabid Mining, I trust this letter finds you in good health and high spirits. As someone who greatly respects your contributions to the crypto mining community, I wanted to send you something that could enhance your setup. Enclosed, you'll find an X99 dual Xeon CPU motherboard along with compatible coolers and some stands and a GPU power meter. This gift is a token of my appreciation for the work you do for the crypto community. Your insights and expertise have been invaluable, and I'm eager to hear your thoughts on how these components integrate with your existing setups. Warm regards." Again, Bakaiko. I butchered the name, I apologize, but this is absolutely awesome. So now it makes a lot more sense about all of these stands, the coolers that we got. We got a complete rig that we can build here. It's gonna be pretty awesome, and I am excited for this. I gotta look up those CPUs right quick to see exactly what we got. All right, guys, so I just looked up these two CPUs here to see exactly what we got working with. They are 14 core, 28 thread CPUs. So you times that by 2 because this is dual, that is 28 cores and about 56 threads. So that's pretty sweet. That is awesome. Now this is Intel. It lacks a lot of the L3 cache to utilize like XMR mining or even Ghost Rider and stuff, but this should do very well on Veers coin. So we'll see what we can do. I have a lot of options here. I could turn this into a possible server for my case, run a bunch of solo nodes, mine to it. You know, there's a lot of options I have with this thing. There's proof of useful work coming out. This should definitely work for that as well. Look at all the slots we have here for some GPUs. We should be able to utilize a few of these on times 16, maybe times 8. I have to look at the full specs of the motherboard, but we're going to load this up with RAM sometime here. Expect a build video coming soon. There's so many options I can do with this thing, and I'm very, very thankful for you, Bayako, for sending this out. You know, this opens up a wide array of possible things I could do with my farm. So this is awesome. I am very excited, and thank you very much. Thank you for checking out this video, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Rabid out.